If your hands shake and meals feel messy or stressful, this tool was designed for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at Ask Sammy, where we help make everyday tasks safer and easier using OT-approved tools. Okay, so I have a plate of rice here, which traditionally can be really challenging. It's really light. If I have a lot of shakes maybe, or I have challenges with the way my hand moves and I can't actually get this motion happening with the spoon, then it's easy for this to come everywhere. And now I have half as much food by the time it gets to my mouth, right? Or I'm tracing this around the plate trying to get it in there because I'm having trouble with actually making the motions that I need in order to use a spoon. So a great solution for that is the sup spoon, which was designed by somebody who had these exact same problems. And so instead of dealing with a simple spoon with just a small amount of space here, you're actually dealing with like a miniature cup. So if you can see inside of there, you can scoop the food and have a full bite by having most of it enclosed. So even if I'm having shakes, I still have a whole good amount of food by the time it gets to my mouth, and I had a wider amount of space in order to scoop that food up, so it makes it a lot easier. And no matter what kind of position my arm or wrist is in when I bring this food to my mouth, it's staying in here. That does not happen with a regular spoon, so that makes it great. And then for littler hands, there's just the mini sup spoon, so we don't have such a big bite, but we get the same functionality, but for our smaller hands or for our little kiddos, so that this is inside the cup, and no matter which way I'm kind of turning, this is not coming out until I actually turn it upside down. Adaptive tools like are great because they don't look medical, and yet they're making everyday life feel normal again. So if your shaky hands have made eating stressful, this is one of those small tools that can quietly restore ease and independence. You can find the sup spoon at AskSammy.com along with other OT-approved tools that are designed to support real life and not complicated, because everybody deserves to enjoy a meal without frustration.